Google just shocked everybody and released its newest text-to-video AI generator called Lumiere. It outperforms all the major text-to-video players on the market, and it can do amazing things like filling in completely blank parts of videos. Now, do you want to see how and why Lumiere is the real deal? How it actually makes quality and smooth videos unlike its competitors? Competitors who promise great videos but just deliver choppy and weird ones that kinda suck. Well, by the end of this video, you'll learn just that. You'll see all the coolest demos of Lumiere, see it go head-to-head versus its competitors like Runway ML, and see how it works under the hood. Lumiere is Google's latest AI video generation tool. It allows you to create videos with simple text prompts. You can type in something like an ice cream cone on the beach on a hot summer day, and it will create a video of that for you. It also has features like image to video, stylized generation, in painting, video stylization, and Cinemagraphs. The technical details of how Google does this is fascinating, but before we dive deep into that, let's go over some really cool Lumiere features. First up is text to video. Here are comparisons between Lumiere and Runway ML. These examples use the exact same prompts for both tools, so the output should be similar. But that's not the case. As you can see, Lumiere's outputted vids are very smooth and consistent, and Runway's videos are pretty choppy. We'll get into exactly why this is a little later in the vid. Regardless, even if Lumiere is better than other text-to-video tools currently on the market, one thing is for sure. AI video generation technology has come a long way. Not even a year ago, text-to-vid was creating some wild and downright horrific results. Check out this one of Elon Musk eating spaghetti. I mean, some Friday the 13th horror movies are less terrifying than this. Next up is image to video. This allows you to upload an image and it will create a video for you based on the image and prompt that you provided. As you can see in these examples, when you hover over the videos on the website, it shows us the original uploaded picture along with the original prompt. When you stop hovering over the images, the outputted video that Lumiere created plays. You can try it for yourself at this link. I particularly like the Nebula and Vincent van Gogh Starry Night examples. They really show you the power of this technology and how fluid and natural it's becoming. On a creepier note, check out the Mona Lisa picture. Now, you have to admit, her face looks like it got punched too many times in a boxing ring. Next up, stylized generation. Have you ever seen a picture and thought, man, I really like the style and feel of that image, and you'd like to use that style for yourself? For example, say you're opening a new pizza shop and you want your logo to have a cartoonish and vectorized feel. You see a picture online that does exactly that, but you don't know how to implement that style with your pizza shop's name for the logo. Well, all you have to do is upload that inspirational picture you found to Lumiere and write a text prompt. And boom, magically Lumiere will output a pizza logo for you in the exact style that you wanted. Next up, one of Lumiere's most impressive features is its in-painting within videos. As you can see in this example of the river, hot air balloon, and pizza, large portions of these videos are blacked out and missing. But magically Lumiere, via AI, fills in the missing portions and outputs the resulting video on the right. The thing to note is that the outputted video is very smooth compared to other text-to-video tools on the market. Next up, Google's text-to-video tool can create Cinemagraphs. Cinemagraphs are basically a hybrid of a video and a regular picture. Most of the outputted video is still emotionless, but a small part of the picture has movement. Next up, and my favorite, is video stylization. Say for some weird reason you want to see what you'd look like if you were made out of Legos. Well, Lumiere can take a video and make objects within that video anything you'd like. You want yourself to resemble a cheeseburger in your video? It will do that. You want to resemble a pine tree in your video? It will do that too. Lumiere will make you like anything you want and animate you as well. So what's that secret sauce that makes Lumiere better than its competitors? Why are Lumiere's outputted videos so much smoother, less choppy, and more real looking compared to companies like Pika and Runway? To understand why, you'll first need to understand how these traditional AI video generation tools work. The very first thing they'll do is analyze your prompt. To demonstrate this, we'll use our previous example, an ice cream cone on the beach on a hot summer day. The model will then take that prompt and outline a 4-second video for example's sake. And just as a side note, you probably already know, but videos are just a huge compilation of pictures. When played together in a sequence, the still images give you the illusion there's movement in the video. It's exactly how flipbooks worked. that you might have played with as a child. Now, within that 4-second video, there's hundreds of individual pictures, and instead of creating all those hundreds of unique images with AI, traditional AI video generation models only create a handful of images and spread them out evenly throughout the video. After this is done, these traditional models will then fill in all those gaps with a completely different AI model, one that's optimized to fill space between images and not create images based on the prompt. This is the reason why text to video is so choppy and kind of sucks right now. In essence, AI models like Runway are only creating a handful of what they call keyframes, or images throughout the entire video. It then hopes that its separate filling the gaps AI model will get the movement between these images or keyframes correct. But most of the time it doesn't, and the resulting video looks choppy and weird. Lumiere, on the other hand, creates videos differently. They use what they call UNet architecture for the process. Instead of creating only a handful of images within the video and filling the gaps, Lumiere creates all the images that make up the video at once. This allows the Lumiere model to learn how objects within the video should move as a whole and not just between keyframes. The end result is a way less choppy outputted vid, and this is what makes Google's Lumiere shine. If you try learning this on your own, you may get lost because Lumiere's technical paper is very hard to understand. And this tool isn't available just yet. It should be out relatively soon, as Google usually releases tools like these to the general public in some form or the other. That's it for tonight. If you found this video interesting, please subscribe to this YouTube channel and my free AI email newsletter at fry-ai.com/subscribe. Have a great night. This is Ryan signing out. Take care.